Meaning of gunshot.
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 Gunshot. A gunshot refers to the sound that is produced when a gun is fired. The sound is caused by the rapid release of high-pressure gas from the gun's barrel, which creates a loud noise similar to an explosion. Gunshots can be heard over long distances, and their intensity can vary depending on the type of firearm used and the environment in which they are fired. Gunshots can also be dangerous and deadly, as they can cause serious injury or death to those in their path. Overall, gunshots are a significant aspect of firearms and their use.